Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Hey love bugs and love muffins, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with another voiceover. So the unit that I am rocking is by SUNBER hair, and it is one of those units that have the little kinky edges. Child, I'm living for the kinky edges. I know all of y'all ain't feeling the kinky edges, but I think it's a look, it's a vibe. So the only reason I am coming to you guys with this voiceover is because I did bleach the knots, and I kind of just wanted to show you guys what I use. I use that CALERA BW2 powder and 40 volume developer, and then I just stir it up to the consistency of toothpaste, and then I apply it to the lace of the wig, and I let it sit for about 45 minutes. Now it's going to depend on what type of developer you get, or if it's 20, if it's 40, 50, whatever. It just depends on the level that you get, but I use 40 and I let it sit for 45 minutes. Now honestly, I feel like I could have let it stay on a little bit longer, but child, ain't nobody got time for that. But if you want your knots like completely invisible, child, okay, just go on, maybe just keep watching it and basically do it how you want to do it, child. Okay, I am nobody's expert, you know me, honey. I'm just doing this the way I do it. Okay, and after that I did rinse it with some purple shampoo. My camera died, so I couldn't show you guys that part, but that was it. So I just wanted to come through, say hey girl, and tell you guys what I did to bleach the knots on this unit. Now I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that jump on jealousy. My bad, get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on. My bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break, better way. Oh, hey.
Yeah. How you looking calm, baby, in spite of the body stretching out your pinstripes. Got so much to tell you, come on inside. Hey. You was MIA from the invite, tryna give me daps with my hands tied. All I wish for, if you could go my way. Yeah, been had me from the start. You've been on my radar for too long. Want you to stay, babe. You'd never say the word. I could give you the world, girl, won't you try me? I bet you gon' like it. Lava, baby, lava.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by SUNBER Hair. Shout out to you, SUNBER, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their 13x4 lace front natural color kinky edge straight wig. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on the link. Now, honestly, y'all, I'm gonna keep it old book. I am not sure about the length that they sent me. I think that they sent me this unit in 24 inches, but your girl could be wrong, okay? I'm not 100% sure, so honey, don't quote me on that, girl, because I'm speculating, okay? So on the site, it says flash sale 4C kinky edge, kinky straight lace wig, 13x4 lace front human hair wig, Yankee straight wig with baby hair. So this unit is available in 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 inches. I want to say they sent me 24 inches. I was looking on the plastic and it looks like 24 inches is on there, but honey, I could be wrong. Just check down below in the description box and it should be down there so you guys know what length I actually have. Now this unit is available in a 4x0.6. What is a 7.5 lace wig. Is available in 13x4 lace frontal wig. The kinky edge is 13x4 lace frontal and is available in the 5x5 HD lace. So I have the kinky edge 13x4, so I want to clarify that because honey, these edges is kinky in, okay, girl? So yeah, that's that. It says it's the item is super kinky 13x4 lace front human hair wig, as I stated. 100% human hair without chemical processing. It's a natural black color. It's 150% density, but it's kinky, girl. So 150, it'd be thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. Okay, girl. So keep that in mind as well. The cap size is the circumference is 22 to 22.5 inches. Front to nape 13x5 inches. Ear to ear is 15.25 inches. Is kinky straight hair, pre-plucked hairline, soft comb easily, minimum shedding, no tangling. So those are all the details and specs that they have on the site. So with this unit, I have done one similar to this, but I slicked the edges down. Cynthia, I know how you feeling about these edges, girl, but I am really liking the trend. Like, maybe it's just me and maybe it's because my edges be balled up like this, so to me it's more realistic. I don't know. I know everybody doesn't like this trend, but if you don't like that curled edge look with them, they have the alternative of either getting the curled up edges or the kinky edges, or not getting the kinky edges. But if you do decide to get the kinky edges and you put it on and you're like, girl, I don't like this, you can still swoop it. I have swooped these edges before and it's pretty easy. And actually with it being this texture, it makes it easier to do the swoops. But I really like this look because to me it just gives off a more natural appearance in my opinion. Y'all let me know what you think down below. Cynthia, girl, tell me, girl, are you liking it anymore? Like, let me know down below. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did not receive any of the tings straight out of the packaging. That's not to say, oh, girl won't do any of the things. It's just the straight out of the packaging, oh, girl is doing none of the tings, okay? As far as tweezing, I didn't have to do anything. Oh, girl woke up like this. Okay, girl? She woke up like this. Honestly, I did bleach it, and I'm pretty sure I should insert that process somewhere so you guys can see. I did bleach the knots. But it's not necessarily necessary. It's just something that it's a phase, girl. It's a phase I'm going through where I'm just bleaching everything, okay? As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is extremely big head friendly. But you know, right here I did have to cut the lace. So every time I have to do that, I kind of just tuck it I tuck it over here, okay? So I did have to cut that so it would fit around these ears of mine, honey, okay? I got ears like Beyonce. Have you ever seen Beyonce on sing Flaws and All on the Ellen DeGeneres show? And she kind of have a hairstyle similar to this, and them ears is earring. That's kind of ears I have, okay? So I have to do some finessing to get around these things, girl, because these things is big. So, yeah, so I had to cut the lace, but I do feel like this unit is big head friendly. The company did initially ask me to wear it glueless, but you guys know the struggle with me, and the gluelessness is the same thing, the whole thing with the ears, okay? So, but it does come with that pre-elastic band, so I feel like with that band, it makes the unit more versatile, like more universal. So you can wear it, in my opinion, whether you have a small head or a large head. But to me, it definitely leans more towards the big head friendly side than not. But honey, I only got the head that's on my shoulder, so girl, do with that what you want to do with it, okay? Take that with a grain of salt. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so you already know what my con is, and I like how y'all already will have written it down below in the comments. You know what my con is. It's the fact that it's a 13x4. Now even though I'm rocking it and I have up half down style, it's only so much hair that I could use because otherwise you're gonna see web, okay? So that is always a con for me. Child, it's hard to get 13x6 these days. I don't know what's going on in the wig world, but yeah, that is always gonna be my con. So that's my con. Okay, child, that's my con. So yeah. As far as the pros, I love the edges, y'all. I just do. Like I said, I know it's not for everybody, but I really like it. I like the edges. I think it's the look, it's a vibe for me. And I also love a good kinky straight wig, y'all. Like, kinky straight hair is probably one of my favorites to wear because it just really looks natural. And I also usually like to curl them. I didn't curl this one, I straightened it, but I love a good kinky straight unit, and I love the texture of this one, just overall. So those are my pros. Yes, I would recommend this unit, honey. You need at least one kinky straight wig in your closet. I always say closet because that's where I keep my wigs. But you need at least one, y'all, in my opinion, honey. For my sisters, honey, you need at least one kinky straight wig, girl. And this one, I don't think you would be disappointed whatsoever. And like I said, once again, I recommend it because of the edges. I like the edges, girl. I like that. So yes, I would recommend this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, sound off in the comments. Let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know if you think it's a look, it's a vibe, if you like it, if you like the kinky edges trend. Let me know. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you for SUNBER. No, not shout out to you for SUNBER. Once again, shout out to you, SUNBER, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every styles and weekly disastrous beauty.